In this video I'm going to show you how to set the midtone curve in the Photoshop app. First we have to open up the app and here it opens up like this. From here we just go into the top row, click on filter, then we click on camera raw filter, and here if we scroll down under the curve section we find this little S icon. This is the parametric curve, and here we can add some stops for the different kinds of values like this, and then play around with them and set up each according to the desired effect that we want to achieve. Also we can move things around here like this, like this, like this. And that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.